Can you see them? They're everywhere. It's so gross. Hi everyone, welcome back to Rooted in Style. For those of you new to my channel, my name is Melanie. So as you know, I just got back from my vacation and I was feeling pretty darn good. I was really excited because all my plants seemed to be doing well. And then I looked a bit closer and my stromanthe triostar had spider mites, and at least one of my hoyas has root mealies. So I'm not as happy as I initially was. This really sucks because I've never had a pest outbreak. I mean, I've had fungus gnats. I mean, I think we all have. But I had mealy bugs one time, and what I did was I just threw out the plant because it was a duplicate of another one that I had. So it really wasn't a big deal to me. But, you know, I really like my stromanthe triostar. So I did what any plant parent would do. I got a computer. I watched tons of YouTube videos, and I read everything I could find online. After looking at all of those options, I decided to go with the route that kind of made the most sense to me, I guess. So I'm gonna start by rinsing off my plant in the sink. It has a sprayer, and I think that kind of has the highest power of anything I have here. And I'm hoping that will start to physically remove some of the spider mites. And then I'm gonna soak the top in like a bath that's made of a mixture of water, gentle dish soap, and some rubbing alcohol. Hopefully it doesn't damage the leaves too much. And then I guess I just recheck it the next few days, see if I see any more spider mites. If I do, I repeat the treatment. And then if it seems like I have to do that a lot, I can try using this sulfur stuff. I'm kind of afraid to use it because when I bought it, I looked at the instructions, and number one, you have to use a mask because it's a powder and it's toxic. And you mix it with water. But number two, it says that you shouldn't be in the area for 24 hours that you used it in previously. So if I use it, it has to be outside because I can't go to that area for 24 hours. And I don't know if I want to know why I can't. So I think that's going to be my last resort. And maybe the plant isn't worth it if I have to get to that point. So I don't know. Have you guys dealt with this before? What did you do? What worked for you? Do you think that what I'm doing was a good idea? Let me know down in the comments section. I'm all ears. This is him after the first rinse. I decided to go with 3 pumps of this Deft plant-based no-dye fragrance-free soap and some of my isopropyl alcohol. And now I'll fill it with water. I saran wrap the top, and now I'm just gonna soak the leaves in it. I'm gonna soak it in there. Hopefully it's not too soapy. I'm gonna leave it in there for, I don't know, a few minutes. I feel like that's still really soapy. I'm gonna just rinse it with regular water now. Ugh. So it's the day after I treated my stromanthe triostar for spider mites, and I was worried that it may have damaged the leaves. And it looks like maybe I just have one leaf casualty, and it's hard to say if that's from the spider mites sucking the life out of it or if it was from the treatment. But, you know, you're supposed to look at it with a microscope to see if there's anything left. Frankly, this is too dense of a plant for me to really want to do that or to be able to do it well. I looked at some of the bottoms of the leaves and I'm not sure if I see some spider mites or if it's just like a little bit of white discoloration from the soap or something, or even dead mites. I'm not sure what it is. So I'm gonna treat it again the same way I did initially, and then I'll just keep reassessing it and seeing how it looks. So wish me luck. So it's been a few days since I did that second spider mite treatment, and I don't see anything that looks like spider mites anymore. I think they're gone. And I really didn't lose any leaves, which is really, really impressive. He's still putting out new leaves, and that treatment really does do the job. I'll keep you guys updated in case anything changes, but I think I'm in the clear. Thank you for watching this video to the end. I hope you enjoyed it. Hit that like button if you did, and please let me know what you do if you have spider mites or other pests down in the comments section. I will be posting a follow-up video on how my plants do in the future, so make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on that episode. And until next time, stay rooted in style and happy planting.